Philips Therapy Mask System 3100NC and 3100SP enables you to choose between nasal cradle and silicone pillows cushions while using the same mask frame and headgear. Both therapy masks, 3100NC and 3100SP, contain magnets, so keep them 2 inches, 50 millimeters, away from active medical devices such as pacemakers, defibrillators, and cochlear implants. If your mask is not already assembled, begin by attaching the headgear. Position the mask frame with the mask tube facing away from you. The letters should be upright. Insert the tip of the left wing of the frame into the slot in the gray fabric of the left-hand side of the head strap, near the letter L, and feed the wing through the length of the fabric. Hook the fabric around the edges of the wing so it is completely covered, and gently pull, making sure that no part of the wing is left visible. Repeat for the right-hand side until the head strap is attached. Before attaching the nasal cradle cushion, check that the L and the R are upright and on the correct sides. The Philips logo on the front of the nasal cradle cushion should be facing away from you. The magnets in the nasal cradle cushion will snap into place. Confirm that the cushion is firmly attached. If not, the cushion may be upside down. Before attaching the silicone pillows cushion, check that the L and the R are upright and on the correct sides. The Philips logo on the front of the silicone pillows cushion should be facing away from you. The magnets in the silicone pillows cushion will snap into place. Confirm that the cushion is firmly attached. If not, the cushion may be upside down. The cushions for the Therapy Mask 3100NC and Therapy Mask 3100SP come in 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, medium wide, and large. You'll find a sizing gauge in the Quick Start Guide. Caution, do not use moisturizer or lotion on your hands or face. In front of a mirror, hold the gauge horizontally under your nose. Choose the smallest size that will cover your nostrils and tip of your nose, in this case, a medium. Try it by placing the soft silicone tips into your nostrils. You want the soft pillow tips to sit comfortably inside your nostrils without any gaps. The soft, round edge at the base of the pillow tips should sit outside each nostril. If the entire tip, including the base, fits into your nostril, try a larger size. In front of a mirror, hold the gauge horizontally under your nose. Choose the smallest size that will cover your nostrils and tip of your nose. In this case, a medium. To check the size, hold the nasal cradle cushion under your nose so that the openings are directly under your nostrils. The cushion should hug your nose. If your nose is inside the cushion, or if the cushion covers your nose, it is too large or is placed incorrectly. Try a smaller size for a better fit. Whether you're using the silicone pillows or nasal cradle cushion, push the tubing quick release onto the end of the mask tube. The quick release lets you easily disconnect the tube, which is helpful if you get up to use the bathroom during the night. If you are using a 12mm tube with your CPAP device, no quick release is needed.